Guys, March 31st, 2023. So here I got a call back from a guy. I was there, I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks ago, and I went over there and made some adjustments on his burn. He said it was starting hard, and now it's not starting at all. He said it tripped out one time. He restarted it, ran good for 2 days, and now it's not starting at all. So I mean, it could be a transformer, it could be anything. They let loose at any time, right? You don't know. So, going back over there, we'll check our oil flow and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. I know last time I was there, the drawer assembly was way off, the electrodes were way off. And he was complaining about it starting hard. And then when I left, it was starting nice. You know, it was getting a good spark. She was firing right up nice. It's good for a couple of weeks, I guess. We'll go by there, and he said he hit the button and it ran good for a couple of days.
Turn right on
but now it's out. It won't stop. Spins over, but it don't fire. So I'm kind of glad that it's off and not working. Sometimes it's the solenoid valve on the pump that goes. Them solenoid valves are known to act up like that, you know?
1.5 miles. Turn left.
I do have them solenoid valves, solenoid replacements in the truck. Could be that. Could be the transformers getting wimpy. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Alright, it's been 2 weeks. I did change the filter. We have oil. It was working good last time I was here. We'll figure it out. This is off on safety. This pump doesn't have a solenoid. See if we're getting oil flow. Let's see if we're getting any oil, and then we'll check the spark once we start it. See, I want to see oil flow and want to see spark. Getting oil. Won't be spark. Yeah. Got a transformer. Should be able to pull 3/4 to 1.5 inches. I'm only getting 1/2 inch. It's a problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start it up, and then it's gonna be pissing out oil here, and then we're gonna check the spark. Once I flip it over, we'll check the spark this way. Okay. And I should be getting like 3/4 to 1.5 inches. Now watch. We're getting oil, right? See the oil?
Yeah.
See how wimpy that is? I'm losing it?
Yeah.
I should be able to pull that across, and that's not enough. And
so that's what it's just
this right here. This right here sends spark down them electrodes, and then the fan pushes a spark out to light the oil.
Yeah.
So if this is wimpy, you're not going to get the spark to go down and to ignite the oil. It's not going to fire.
Right. And so that's exactly what's happening.
Yep. No, this is why I explain it to you. I'll just change this. Then if you want, before I'll show you what it's supposed to look like with the new one. Okay?
Yep.
Like I said, it's good to know this stuff in case something happens. At least you know I'm not out trying to scam you.
Yeah, you know, it's Want to take a shower?
I think I checked that. Did I check it or not? No, maybe not last time. Good nozzle, reset electrodes, clean burner, reset drawer assembly. And it was working fine when I was here. Remember, it was firing up nice.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, anything mechanical can go at any time.
Right.
Put a new one in there for you.
All right, cool. I'm gonna leave you to your mastery.
Yep.
You know what you're doing.
Boom. Boom. One's hooked up to the white, one's hooked up to the protector relay. I should be able to get a good 3.5 inches on that for the spark. And these are the ones I like to use, the Allisons. It's for an AFG, Beckett AFG. Brand new. I think I checked the spark last time I was here. I don't know if I did or not. Hook these two wires up. One goes to the orange through the protector relay. The orange is the feed for the transformer and the motor. That's one. This stays on all the time, this transformer. And the other one's going to be a common neutral. Alright. I actually like these better. You can put this part on there, but I don't think we're going to need it. We'll see. We'll see what our spark is now. Let's try it again. Look at that. See the difference? Hello? 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 Come on down here. I want to show you the difference. You ready?
Yeah. There you go.
See the difference?
The full reach across.
Pretty much, so. Alright, so I'll put the oil back together and we'll fire it. It should fire. It's going to be a little smoky because you've been hitting it, but. So it's a 1P transformer. It ran good for what? A week or so and then started acting up?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I checked it last time I was here, but I'll have to look back. Because when it happens is when it runs, it sparks across the electrodes, and then the fan, the air pushes the spark out, and it goes like this. And that fire, it connects, and it's got to be hot enough to fire the oil. Let's see.
Right, and that's what it sounded like.
There we go. Might get probably a little smoky in there, because don't forget, we've been hitting it a bunch of times, right? Got to burn that off. Alright, so I just wanted to show you.
No, that's cool, man. I appreciate that.
New transformer. It's been a couple of weeks. I've been here. You can see the difference in the transformers.